Ants will avoid borax baits if the bait is stale, placed poorly, or the colony associates it with danger. To keep ants interested, use a fresh sweetener and mix it with borax at a low concentration so worker ants do not become sick too quickly before returning to the nest. Prefer a 1:100 ratio by weight of borax to sugar for sugar-feeding species, and test a slightly stronger mix only if you see no uptake after a day or two. Place small drops or cotton wicks in different microhabitats along ant trails rather than a single large pool so timid scouts can sample without altering trail behavior. Rotate placement daily by a few inches to avoid scents or residues that trigger avoidance and to intercept different foraging cohorts. If you suspect water foragers or protein feeders are dominant, switch sweet bait to a diluted honey solution or a light syrup for carbohydrates, and offer small bits of tuna or dry pet food mixed with a weaker borax slurry for protein seekers. Replace bait every 2 to 3 days to keep aroma fresh and to prevent mold or ferments that ants detect and reject. Common mistakes include using too much borax, so workers die before returning to the nest, which breaks the transfer chain. Fix this by reducing borax concentration and observing uptake before increasing strength. Another issue is placing bait directly on the trail where it can be crushed or contaminated by debris, which causes avoidance. Instead, place bait stations adjacent to trails on stable surfaces and protect with a shallow cover to reduce debris. The third concern is relying on a single sweetener that becomes stale or attracts other pests. Rotate sweeteners between light syrup and honey and change to a protein option for some days to reach all casts and life stages. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to post project needs and receive responses from those looking for work. We also host an active discussion community where we and other users share field tips, bait recipes, and placement strategies that help people dealing with persistent ant problems.